Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, it still definitely looks like five waves up for sure, and it looks like we're in a wave five of five. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, and then it looks like a wave four, and then it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave five. So we may be getting closer, or maybe even already have the end of a wave 5. So going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely had a very impulsive move down yesterday, as you can see. The Bank of Japan did intervene again at this US dollar CPI news yesterday. But for me, I still don't really see any breaker structure. There's definitely no breaker structure to the downside. There's still no lower high. Even though that was a pretty impulsive move down, I am definitely still very bullish until the market itself actually proves me otherwise, which it definitely hasn't done so yet. So going down to the daily time frame, I still am looking at this as a possible wave 1, a possible wave 2. Seems like we might have already had the wave 3. I'm looking at this as possibly a wave 4. If it is a wave 4, then it is going to go back up and make a wave 5. I still think this 162 or possibly the 163.4 to 162.2 is the most likely place for this to really end a trend and continue down. So I really am not convinced that this is over. There's no break of structure. We do have a lower high right here, but that definitely could be an ABC crescent to the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we do have some pretty decent dollar news coming out today, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole wave 3 right here. We already got a 50% Fib bounce. If we get like a higher low or something like that, I would definitely think about going long. To me, it definitely still looks like it could be an ABC, and it could be an ABC of wave 4. This would be a wave 3, and then eventually go up for the wave 5. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually wondering if it's already over. This right here is a higher low, but to me it looks like a 1, 2, 3, ABC of 4, and wave 5. So if price does break and hold above here, like that, then I think that's going to prove this is the end of a wave C of wave 4. And I think everybody's going to be trying to go short, but I definitely am still going to be going long at the end of pullbacks once we have a confirmation at the break of structure, which we really don't have yet. So just keep an eye on structure, keep an eye on price. I think everybody is going to be trying to sort the yen pairs out there yesterday, but I honestly think there's a really good chance that it's just going to keep on going up, probably for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.